How to fix Claude AI file upload failed. Common ways to fix it fast. Are you trying to upload a file to Claude AI and keep running into an upload failed error? It is one of the most frustrating things that can happen right in the middle of your workflow. In this video, I am going to teach you the most common reasons this happens and exactly how to fix it fast. The Claude AI file upload error can be caused by several different things, from an unsupported file type to browser issues to file size limits or even a temporary server problem. The good news is that most of these fixes take less than 2 minutes. Let us go through them one by one. Fix number 1, check your file type. As of 2026, Claude supports PDF, TXT, CSV, DOCX, PPTX, XLSX, HTML, and Markdown for documents. For images, it supports JPEG, PNG, GIF, and WebP. For code files, it supports Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, JSON, and XML. If you are trying to upload a zip, exe, PSD, BMP, or any unsupported format, Claude will reject it. Simply convert your file into a supported format and try again. Fix number 2, check your file size. Claude has a per file limit of around 32 megabytes. If your file is larger than that, you will need to split it into smaller parts or paste the content directly into the chat. Also, avoid uploading too many large files at once in a single conversation, as the combined size can hit limits too. Fix number 3, clear your browser cache and cookies. Claude.ai is very sensitive to stale browser data. Go to your browser settings, clear the cache and cookies, then reload the page and try uploading again. This alone fixes the problem for a large number of users. Fix number 4, try a different browser or disable extensions. Browser extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, can interfere with file uploads. Try switching to a clean browser like Chrome or Edge, or open an incognito window and attempt the upload there. Fix number 5, turn off your VPN. If you are connected to a VPN, disconnect it and try again. VPNs can interfere with Claude's upload process by routing your connection through a flagged or slow server. Fix number 6. Check Claude server status. Sometimes the issue is not on your end at all. Visit the Anthropic status page at status.anthropic.com to check if there are any ongoing outages or elevated errors affecting uploads. Fix number 7. Start a brand new conversation. If the current chat has a lot of files and context already loaded, it may have hit its limit. Open a fresh conversation and try uploading your file there instead. Now here is your pro tip. If you regularly need to work with very large files in Claude, consider storing them in Google Drive or Dropbox and referencing the content instead of uploading the raw file directly. Claude also supports the Model Context Protocol, which lets you connect to cloud storage so you can work with large documents without running into upload size limits at all. So to recap, the most common fixes are checking your file type and size, clearing your browser cache, disabling extensions, turning off your VPN, checking Anthropic's server status, and starting a fresh conversation. Run through these in order and you will almost certainly find your fix. If this video helped you out, hit that thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss a quick guide like this. And drop a comment below telling me which fix worked for you. It helps other viewers find their solution faster. See you in the next one.